Hey teachers, we get it. Bringing coding and robotics into the classroom can feel intimidating. But imagine you had everything you needed right at your fingertips. Simple, structured, and easy to follow. That's exactly what the Resolute Starter Package was designed for. Educational license. This is access to our online platform, which is packed with videos, quizzes, challenges, coding environments, and our fun educational games. Novice app. This is a mobile-friendly app that the learners can use to code and control their robot from a phone or a tablet. Robotics Kits. This is 8 novice robots plus 8 expansion packs, which include sensors, motors, LCD screens, and so much more. Competitions. Have the opportunity to be a part of our annual Roboticon competition, which is an event where our learners get to come and showcase all that they have learned throughout the year. This starter package was created with real schools in mind, big and small. This turns coding and robotics from a challenge into an adventure.